Hi guys, let's try to understand very important topic today, DAX variable in the Power BI. So variable is really very important in the DAX. If you use it, your performance become very fast. And let's try to understand what is it. So variable basically is the expression where or when can be refused multiple time within a query and are the commonly used to the two key purpose, right? First one is the readable, second is the performance. So if your variable make the complex code which generally human can't read properly, so put the variable over there and the entire codes will be in the one variable, right? And second one is the performance. So variable only the evaluated once there is no matter how often they are used in the query. So it's the plus point of the variable. So it's a very simple and the streamline. So if you use it, so code become the very simple and streamline. Second one, it improve the efficiency, right? And third one is like variable can only the refill previously declared variable within this query and is stored in the table or the scalar value, right? So what a DAX cannot do, like it cannot start with a number, right? And it cannot give the space or underscore in the variable, right? And the name. So share the name in another table that can't do. So variable only execute itself in that part, that query where you variable decided, right? And the keyword, so you can't use the keyword like is the DAX already there, like some date, right? And calculate something, right? So that is the basically variable thing. Let's do one thing, let's try to understand some more in this, how to create the variable in the Power BI. So DAX query which are the variable must include two key components. First one, you need to declare it, your variable. Second one, the expressions, the formula you use that, and the last you need to return your expressions. Like for example here, so in this your variable here, and now you can give the name over there, what you need to give the name of in your variable, and then expressions means your formulas, your functions, whatever you want there, and then return, and then return your would be executed, your variable would be executed. So in this example, let's suppose I want executed order by female. So first I just give the variable name total orders underscore female, right? And then give the expressions. So that is the calculations, how will we calculate it, and then and the last is the written parts, right? So these all are the creating the variable formulas in the Power BI. So let's do one thing, let's jump quickly on the Power BI and create this and see how it look like and how we create it. So I'll open the Power BI, right? And then I just open a measure over there. Let's create a measure first where I can use the variable, right? So let's take the same formulas or functions which I just recently discussing. So I'll give the first name of our measure, like order by female, then enter, then variable, right? Variable name, and I'll give the name of this variable, like I'll give the name of the total orders underscore female, right? And then is equal to enter, and your expressions, like I'll just give the formula calculate sum. I need to sum let's suppose uh, quantity sold, under this sales by store. So what I'm doing here, I'm just sum the quantity sold and give the filter Filter is where? Filter is like in the customer, first I'll give the table name, customer lookup. In the customer lookup, I'll give the gender name, right? The gender, like, is the F for female. Hit enter, parenthesis close, hit enter, parenthesis close. Now your variable is the completed. But if you hit the enter, it will give the error like this. And then so there is the error, is the incomplete, because I didn't give the return over there. So click here, shift enter, return, and your variable name like this. Just observe here, it is the x is the fx. So in the variable, if you see like this, so that is the called variable, right? Female return, hit the enter, so your value would be completed. So this is the variable I have created here. Let's call it in the our matrix. This is our table, transaction date, customer date. Let's zoom out so that it would be visible, right? And let's extract that female over there. So I want to check, are the total cost, total sales, how many females order are there? So female order just we have created, put in the value, and your female order would be like this. So now you understood how we fetch the data and using this variable like this. So let's do one thing, let's do some more deep dive in this variable in the next video. So stay tuned, see you in the next video.